We're in the Macy's wing of the Tysons Corner Mall in Tysons Corner, Virginia. Then we have the Minnesota that's unfortunately being modernized by Schindler, was 5,500. But this thing broke constantly. That's right, Schindler 5,500. There you go. I'll take 2 rides on this. Go down to 1. Here we go. That's right. We have a Schindler 5,500. Going up?
Yeah.
It's a Schindler 5,500 installed in 2017. I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Yeah, we'll go up.
5,000 pound capacity. Very nice. Linea 100 fixtures, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. I love that. Car number 4. This used to be a Minnesota elevator. There you go. Go back down to 1. There you go.
Take care, man.
Go back down to 1. Here we go. That door operator doesn't sound too good. This is a childhood elevator. Loads of character. Going up?
Yes.
There's Macy's. You can come on in.
Thank you.
Go up to 2.
Yeah, it's 22 always.
Please stay behind this line until the door's open.
Okay, thank you for this good information.
Elevator number 4, 5,000 pounds.
Okay.
So Schindler. Basic parking garage style cab.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Oops. Going down?
Thank you.
Thank you.